Well, hey, we're going to go over adding images and some text to pages that are already in existence. And I'm looking at the dashboard here at the Pages section. Remember, it's right here, Pages. And I've got this in a smaller format. If you like it larger, you come down here at the bottom. That'll expand it so you can read everything. So all pages, I kind of like it collapsed like that. Pages, all pages, we're going to look for a page called Happenings. So I'll just type in the beginning of that page, we'll search pages, and the page that we want to edit will come up. There it is. So we're going to edit that page. We can look at what it looks like right now by switching tabs over here. Let me bring this down a little bit so we can see those tabs. And we'll just size it real quick. There, and that's the happenings page. So we start with Gary Allen, etc., etc. So I took images that were sent to me by email. We're going to put those right here, and we'll go first with the Thursday Night Martini. Very simple. What we're going to do is add media. It's not in our media library yet, so we're going to have to upload it. I'm going to take it from my desktop where I've saved it and just drag it over. And there we go. So it's loading up there now. These are Thursday nights at Rick's. So I am going to put here a little bit of alt text. This is good for SEO. We'll say Thursday night at Rick's in Sneads Ferry. And we have full size. That's going to be a great size. We're going to put it in the center. We do not want a link, so we're going to say no, insert into post. And there it is. We can do a preview by looking at the changes here, and a new window will open in our browser, and we'll get to see a preview. Okay, that looks great. And what we'll do, make a little bit of space here. I'm going to put in some text. I want to use a header, and we're going to center the text and make some space, and we'll say for the full month of March, so entire month of March. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to insert more media. This is where I'm going to put the little orange slipper. So upload files again, drag and drop, there it is. And we're going to say here, this is for the MS movement. I want to put something in the alt text, but I'll take care of that later. I want to look at the size, full size, that's a little bit too big. We'll just say large, that might be too big too, but we'll go with that. Center it, insert into page. Let's see what that looks like. That's going to be too big. So make this window bigger here so I can see more of what I'm working with. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to do edit and bring it down to about 70%. And here I can add orange table tint, alt text. I don't like that, so we're going to do something a little more friendly to search engines. Multiple sclerosis. Benefit at Rick's Sneads Ferry, North Carolina. And we'll fix that text a little bit. And I'll get a little bit of help from our spell checker. No links, we don't want any links in there. Update. And that's what it looks like on the page. We'll do preview changes. Now we still have this new window opening here. I'll click on that to be able to see. And that looks pretty good. That's just what we want to see, the entire month of March. So all of that, very simple. And we'll go back to our editing page. I'm going to update it. And it's live on the website. That's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions.